Good morning, champs! Today we solve a limit using conjugates, but this time the square root is in the denominator. We want the limit as x approaches 0 of x divided by square root of 1 plus x minus 1. As always, we start with direct substitution. Plug in x equals 0. We get 0 over 1 minus 1, which is 0 over 0. So again, we have an indeterminate form. Now here is the key observation. The square root is in the denominator. So instead of multiplying the numerator, we multiply the denominator by its conjugate. The conjugate of square root of 1 plus x minus 1 is the square root of 1 plus x plus 1. So we multiply the entire fraction by square root of 1 plus x plus 1 over square root of 1 plus x plus 1. Now look at the denominator. We have square root of 1 plus x minus 1 times square root of 1 plus x plus 1. This is a difference of squares. So it becomes 1 plus x minus 1, which simplifies to x. Now rewrite everything. We get x times square root of 1 plus x plus 1 divided by x. Now we can cancel x. So the expression simplifies to square root of 1 plus x plus 1. Now substitute again. Plug in x equals 0. We get square root of 1 plus 1, which is 2. So the limit is 2. Quick takeaway. If the square root is in the denominator, multiply by the conjugate of the denominator to simplify.